guys, so we are on the last push for getting the house ready to sell. It feels like it has taken forever, but this is the final week. Ramia and Connor are going to go over there today and finish up some things in the back shed area, the little office area, I think, and a few things on the exterior of the shed. And Greyson and I are getting ready to go over there and plant some flowers to make it look nicer in the front. So yeah, we're just going to take you along with us, and I'm really excited that it is finally winding down, and now we'll be able to just focus on getting ourselves situated in this new house. So anyway, see you in a minute. None of these wildflowers have bloomed yet, so I wanted to add a little bit of color to them. Let me see this. I need to see this so I can show what we're planting. Okay, so what I am planting right now are these annuals. 2 to 4 hours of sun. That's why I've placed them kind of towards the back of this bed, because it does not get full sun the entire day. And I just kind of scattered them and laid them out where we want them. And so Greyson's going to help me plant them. Okay, let's go. To get down in there either. We were not prepared. We didn't bring our shovels, so we had to grab what we could find, and Greyson has a screwdriver and I found some scissors. Did you find a rock? So we're gonna see if we can plant these. We may not even be able to. It just got through watering and I just assumed it was going to be nice and wet, but as soon as you get far down there, it's just really dry. Roses over here. Oh my gosh, I just can't get over how beautiful they look. Here, now we've got a little bit of color.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
I don't know. I'm just walking.
What?
Who's doing that? Is it?
It's back. It's back.
Wait, I see it. What? Hold on. I see it right here. You know what it is?
It's
a hole through the fence. That is so perfect.
Someone's back there in a car or something?
Oh wait, no, it's that light all the way back at that house.
Yeah.
It's the light all the way back.
I think it's
Two of them. You see, there's two of them.
Isn't it one?
There's one coming from the fence right here. It's shining on my face.
Oh,
right?
I know, it's blinding.
I had one.
No, it's up there.
It's right there.
I think there's a vehicle back there.
No, I think it's at that house, like with the red
No,
back there.
it's not that. It might be a little bit of that, but it's
With
not
that
that.
shiny thing.
Listen,
that's in the
listen.
I want to show you something.
Ooh. That is our
carrot
flowering.
These ones are growing.
So pretty. That is the chard, I think. A healthy plant.
I like the sound.
I'm not sure what this is. It looks like
celery
or something. No, it's not tomatoes.
Here we have the tomatoes over there.
I know what these were. These are kohlrabi, it looks like. Kohlrabi. And these are beets, I think. Those are kohlrabi. Hopefully the person that moves here likes kohlrabi. And beets.
garlic.
Okay.
Are they still alive?
Yeah. You want me to go back home?
And take the pizza.
Take the pizza. Connor kissing the house goodbye. That's kind of sad. It's the final.
I kissed the house.
I saw that. Final countdown. Alright. Was that fun?
I like just going like this.
Alright. Much done. All of the holes are patched. All of the painting is complete. Oh, Tub. I'm gonna miss you.
Look.
In that tub, I've had some nice long soaks. This has been my daughter's room and both of my boys' room. Then Connor's room only. It's also been a game room. It's been a good space. I remember the excitement of getting this house. Thank you for watching.
Bye.